de Zunca. Set to go for this one, 1200 meters. Good luck on your pick 6 choices for the second set. And they're on the way. Copernicus draws 4-year lead, moving up down on the inside. Peter's Pride. Then in between runners comes Port Angeles. Then comes runner number 3, Lourdes Drive. Running in between those two is entry number 4, Rocking Hill. Moving up down on the inside is Angel Brule as they race towards the 600. Without pressure in front, Peter's Pride by about 2 lengths. Port Angeles now to take second. Then comes Lourdes Drive, Angel Brule. As they round towards the 450, is still there in front. And that's Peter's Pride by about 2 lengths. Port Angeles still in second. Lourdes Drive then by the Angel Brule. And entry number 4, Rocking Hill. Down the stretch and hitting the finish line. It's now entry number 5, Port Angeles takes up the running over Peter's Pride. And finally, Port Angeles, Peter's Pride, Lourdes Drive, Rocking Hill, Angel Brule, Copernicus.
Okay, 5, 2, 3, 4.